you guys coming to St. Vincent. Boom! Yeah boy, yes guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Vince Vibe Plus. Yes, so glad you can join me on this beautiful adventure today. Today we are in Owia. Yes, Owia, and then Fancy is the last part of St. Vincent that you're gonna meet on the windward side of St. Vincent. So as usual, me and the whole crew is here, Colaz, Papi, Kanta and Sax, right? And today we are going to a beautiful waterfall. We have some rice, we have some mackerel, so they're going to be great by the waterfall. Yes, so first I'm going to taste what they are cooking. Yes man, it should be a beautiful vlog. Yes man, right now it's like about 12:20 here in the PM here in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. We're a little bit behind time, but all things work together for good, you know. Colaz is just putting up the drone in the air, and we are going just now, so we stop here just to get some drone footage. Yeah, so if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Yes, we have been driving like almost 1 hour, right? So take it in guys. Alright my people, well we have arrived at our destination. Yes man, we just park up the van. Yeah, we're off to our waterfall adventure. Yes, I've been to this waterfall a couple of years back, but since after the eruption in 2021, this is my first time returning. So I'm anticipating to see how it looks. I see a lot of people posting it. I've heard a lot of people talking about it. So being here right now in person, I'm gonna see it. Yes, it's a good look. Yeah, so yeah man, it's a good day, and I'm pretty glad that we don't have any rain, you know, and the day remain like this, because as we say, we're gonna cook. And yeah, so stay tuned guys. This is an old factory right here. We got to pass this and go over. Everything you're seeing right here guys, on this roof, this is volcano ash, and the weight of it caving the whole roof. Yeah, so everybody here man, everybody here, we outside and we now go in. Yeah man. Yes guys, so on the journey now to this beautiful waterfall. Yeah man.
You don't know what no, now we know good one.
We don't like ramping shop, you know. Yeah man, we don't see that. Yeah man. So yes guys, we got to pass this small little track here before we get to the waterfall. Well, already you're hearing the water tumbling down as we are going down right here. I'm seeing mango tree, I'm seeing sour sap, I'm seeing plum, I'm seeing papa. Yes guys. Yeah man, this is another one of my bucket lists to tick off. Right? Remember, I'm not coming here for the first time, but as I said, I'm coming here. This is the first time after the eruption in 2021. Yep. Yeah man. Oh yeah, waterfall. Guys, you make sure when you're in St. Vincent, some of these places that we are visiting, you make sure to visit some of them before you go back home. Look at that guys. So if you want, you can stay down here, but where we are going here, we are going to the bigger one that's up top. Alright, there's a lot of stairs to climb, a lot of stairs to climb. Yeah man, so stay tuned until when we get to the top, get back and check back in. Peace out. Yeah man, that is it. Look at this beauty guys, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Colaz pants too tight one. Come on, this is it guys, this is it. Alright guys, well we are at the big waterfall, if you notice. Yeah, this is the big one. But knowing me, I just pick up one mango there. I just pick up one mango and I saw a lot more. And knowing me, everywhere I go, I need my fruits. So I'm gonna leave Colaz and the guys there, and I'm going back to the tree. Yeah, man. Mango is wasting here, guys, in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Mango wasting, man. I don't know what kind of mango it is. It doesn't look familiar to me, but I don't know. See here? I don't know. And it's all fresh stem, guys. Fresh. Sweet. This is a different one. Sweet also, but the first one was sweeter. There you go, guys. Mango everywhere. Mango everywhere, guys. All fresh. Everywhere you go right now, any waterfall, any given waterfall you go to right now, there will be mango. Yeah, so I got this tree. I'm gonna work with this tree. Gonna go back to the waterfall right now, get this wash. Yeah, and we're gonna start getting the fire prepping, because remember, we're gonna cook. All right, so stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna eat my mangoes. Yo, Colaz taste Vincy Julie and tell me for the same taste. People like our Colaz taste our Julie mango, our small grafted. The Julie. Don't throw his skin, man. Skin up for eat too. Yeah, man. Same thing, same thing.
Yeah, man, same mango.
But we not throw his skin, we eat everything, man.
Yeah.
Julie mango, but I know that small grafted. Yeah, the people outside, we're not going, you know. Yeah, man, this is a big, big waterfall here, man. Check it out. Oh, yeah. Oh, we are waterfall. Yeah, man, it's a good look, you know. Good look, this sacks here. I bring up the wood. Up here we are cooking up. Alright, go there. Up there. Yeah. Yeah, man. We're gonna cook somewhere around here, guys. Somewhere around here, so. My people, this is something I'm always addressing. Every time I go to a tourist spot, whether it be a waterfall or some tourist attraction. There's always a lot of garbage everywhere. And this is mostly done by locals. Right? I'm not saying locals is the only set of person who does it, but this is mostly done by locals. Look at this, guys. Tell me how this is cool. Look at that. They brought the drink, they drink it, and they leave the bottles everywhere. Everywhere. I'm always adjusting this, and I would not stop adjusting it until people start doing better. People need to be more responsible. As you can see, guys, Colaz is destroying the only thing that is blocking the beauty of this waterfall. This big piece of Grugu stump that has been here for months. Colaz came and destroyed it. It's blocking the view. So now Colaz was the only man. Came from all the way Jamaica and come and destroy it. Eh? No man, so I'm gonna mash up that man. See? Vinci people never move it. Colaz have to come from Jamaica and move it. That was the only thing blocking the beauty of the waterfall. And Colaz move it. Yeah man. See it there? Weird socks on it. Boom! Yes, so you know where there is smoke, there is fire. Yeah man, fire don't catch already. Now just to get the ingredients and start the pot. Yeah man, see what's going over there? Yeah man, up and running, up and running. Yeah man, so stay tuned. The next time you see it, I'm gonna have the pot on the fire. I'm gonna go mud the pot. See the pot here? I'm gonna put some mud on it. Yeah, mud it up so it won't burn. Yeah man, stay tuned. Big waterfall in the back. Stay tuned. Alright my people, well the pot is almost finished and till now nobody entered the water except for Colaz. He just went in. See it there? Yeah, nobody is going inside that water man, no. Right now the time is like almost going for 4 o'clock. I don't think I want to wet my skin right now because I don't have a change of, well at least I have on a short pan, but I have to go back in the van to drive, so I don't want my skin wet. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wait until the food finish, eat, and then out of this place. Yeah man. Stop, show the people that sit down in the pot. Let me sit down in the pot, so they almost finished. Okay, great. Okay, great socks. Great socks, I'll show you down in the pot. That not done, man. Take out that, man. done, man. Yes guys, just about finished. Yeah, we're gonna get it out right now. Rice and mackerel on the menu, guys. Colaz Smith style. Yeah man. First time I'm gonna taste a piece of food from Colaz Smith. Cover. Alright, people, it has gotten down to this. Yeah, we never bring pot cover, we never bring pot spoon, we never bring plate. Although we went in the supermarket, we still didn't buy any plate, so we put everything on the igloo cover and everybody's gonna eat from the igloo cover right now, like the Indians, you know, eat it with their hands. Good. Why, it's plenty pepper, boy. Pepper? Well guys, we have come down to this. Yes, this is the end of our adventure for today. Yeah man, it was a very great one. Despite we started the day very late, you know, we drove to Oya, and which is the second to last village in St. Vincent and the Windward side. But nevertheless, we made it. We got to cook our pot, finish it, we just ate, body full. Yeah, we are just about to leave the place. Yeah, but if you reach this far in the video guys, just consider subscribing to the channel. Alright, this is beautiful vlogs coming out of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And again, I'm glad to be hosting Colaz Smith and the crew. The whole crew is not here, but you know, Papi, Kianta and Socks. Yeah man, so it's a privilege hosting them here in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and making them enjoy their stay. So until the next one finds us, or we find the next one, the outdoor Vince Vice here. Love God, love people, and catch you in the next one. We'll go on the road now.